People always want me to fart, but I just wanna be happy. Dá-me girl. O quê? Girl.
I'm gonna record because I don't know what's about to happen, but I'm leaving this guy's house, and the whole time he was shish kebabbing it from the back, I felt like I was gonna shit, lay an egg or something. I gotta get the fuck out of here.
Excuse me.
I actually just got wet from that. So either it was or...
I'm gonna show you how to fight for your motherfucking life. You start swinging that bitch. You start swinging that bitch. And you hit him from behind. Surprise that motherfucker. Pull my finger.
Nasty bitch.
Where you at? I lost you.
You fucking...
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna fart in this pot. See what sound it makes.
Alright, shall we? This will be done.
Yeah! Oh, it's an everyone.